So this might be one of the best little work tables for under $150 here. This is from VEVOR. This is their work table here, and there's the model number if you want to grab that. The one that we're looking at right here is the GM4824, 4 foot by 2 foot. And what I did is I was just assembling it, and that was there's a couple of things I went with this particular one. Is I've got a space over here that I needed to have complete clearance from the back to the front, and I needed it to be taller because I'm a taller person. So this was this particular one. I picked it up for like 120 bucks, and I'll put the link in the description below. It can handle like 2,000 pounds. There's a variety of different sizes. It comes with the casters, and it also comes with, if you don't want to do the casters, if you want to do just feet, it has the feet all included with it, which is kind of a neat thing. Now, that spot you're seeing right there, again, this is upside down. That spot you're seeing right there, there's an outlet strip I'm going to put in there that comes with it, and it's adjustable. And I've got it pretty much in its highest setting because I want it to be up there, that 39 inches roughly. And then of course, it's all good to go. There's a little bit of you can see the holes. They're pegboard type. It's metal, but and they sent just a gob of different little pegs to be used on both sides there. So you've got the ability to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this over and give you a look. But to assemble this, it's really quite easy. You need to have a Phillips screwdriver. You screw the two end pieces down. These get added in after the fact. The sliding legs do. And I got to get a little knife to cut that, or a little side cutter. But 3 screws hold the side on. Then there's 5 screws across the back. So you do the 2 ends, 1, 2, 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 screws. I didn't set them all the way in. I just got them in most of the way. And then you put the front lip on. There's screws there, but before you do the front lip screws, there's 2 little bolts you put in right there, and they are in Allen wrench, and that is included. So you've got your front, and in the back, there are 4. I mean, this is quick. It probably took me longer to open the box and really to put this together to some extent. And then the final part, in my case, was to put those on, and then of course that, once it's flipped up into the upright position. And there's 2 screws that hold that. You can see that they're little, there's the nut side of it, and the bolt side is on the other side. So I'm gonna flip this over, and then we'll take a look at it when it's right side up. Now there was some foam in the packing of this, so I just put that down on the concrete to kind of protect the tabletop. This is actually gonna be used for chainsaws. So I don't want it to get all messy right away. It's not as critical as some spots. So now you're looking at the back of it. I'm gonna spin it around. There is the side. And now, again, as a taller person, I have a good working space right up here where I'm gonna be able to work on chainsaws. Literally, that's what I bought this for, is that I've got a nice space. I'll be able to put a chainsaw in here and do my sharpening. I'm gonna show you guys the sharpening in a different video, and have everything accessible without having to crouch down a lot, because this is right up here. I'm about a 6'1", 6'2" person, and this is a good working height for me. The final part will be to put the little outlet strip, which you see has a couple of USB ports, and I'll be putting that right in here. And then there's the 2 little screws, and everything is labeled. This is actually, their instructions are really quite good. Everything's labeled. It tells you what goes where, and pieces are labeled, so you really know how to put this together. And the only real big part of it is to decide, do I want this on the right, or do I want it on the left side as the labels forward? And I suppose you could have the label to the back, but you want the kind of more of a low profile, the shorter one here for your front, and then the taller one in back. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description below. This is pretty impressive for a couple for under $200. It's going to be able to handle everything I needed, and it's going to fit into the space that I've got for it, and I'm really excited about it. So this is John Young here with the Weekend Handyman. Thank you for watching.